So this question, speed of boat in still water is given, SB value is given 16 kilometer per hour, and okay, you can travel 20 kilometer downstream in the same time as it can travel 12 kilometer upstream. The rate of stream means SS value is what you need to calculate. They given speed of boat, rate of stream means stream speed, speed of stream we can say. So SS value we need, we know SB value. And question they given, the time taken to travel downstream 20 kilometers is same as the time taken to travel 12 kilometers upstream. So how said downstream more distance, upstream less distance in the same time? Means we know speed of downstream is more. Speed of downstream is more compared to speed of upstream. When speed is more, distance travel will be more. Compared to the upstream, downstream distance is more. Okay, you can do like, okay, fine, distance is when timing is constant, speed and distance are directly proportional. Speed is directly proportional to distance when time is constant. Here why time is constant is they mention same time. So time is constant. Now speed of downstream divided by speed of upstream is distance traveled in downstream is 20, distance traveled in upstream is 12. So it's simple. Now I don't want to waste my time substituting and all. I'll go directly with the answer 4. Why, sir? Downstream speed means what? SB plus SS. 16 plus something should be 20, numerator. Denominator 16 minus something should be 12. Okay, that something is 4. 16 plus 4 is 20. 16 minus 4 is 12. Right and left side satisfied with 4. We can form, it's like x, taking SS, 16 plus SS, cross multiplying. Why wasting the time, right? So it's simple SB plus SS, SB minus SS. SB we know 16, here 16 plus SS divided by 16 minus SS should be equal to 20 divided by 12. SS 4, if you put it here, we got it. That as simple as. Right, so see the next one. This is basic question. Downstream, upstream, speed of boat in still water, rate of stream or speed of stream. Now see the second question. Here boat's rate in still water is given. What is boat's rate in still water means? Boat speed. Okay, speed of boat. SB is given. Stream rate also given. Stream rate means SS is also given. Fine. But here you are going to a place. Okay, you went to a place and returned. For that it takes 10 hours. Time taken to move from A to B plus time taken to move from B to A. Totally that's equal to 10 hours. Now question is, what is the distance between A and B? What is the distance between A and B? Such that, okay, you went to a place and returned, the total timing should be 10 hours only. Right. Now, one update you should aware of in this concept is, see when you are moving to a place and return back, when not mentioned anything in the question, while going downstream, then return should be upstream, you should consider. Or while going, you consider upstream, return should be downstream. Sometimes what they will give in questions is, they will give clearly in the question, well, okay, you are going downstream and return. Means return you should take upstream. They'll mention, okay, you are moving from A to B downstream, and then you return means, then if they're not mentioned also, while going downstream means return should be upstream, we should consider. In this question, not at all given anything. Yeah, you take any while going upstream, its return should be downstream, or while going downstream, return should be upstream. Then okay, you are moving from A to B. Let us say downstream. Then return should be upstream. Downstream speed is SB plus SS, which is 30. Upstream is SB minus SS, which is 20 minus 10. We have to get 10. Right. Now, total timing is given. Time is distance by speed. A to B distance is D, speed is 30. B to A distance is D, speed is 10, equal to 10. So, here you can take 30 as the LCM. D plus 3D, 4D equal to 300. Hope you got D value 75. D equal to 300 divided by 4, which is 75. You're traveling from A to B, then return B to A. You have went to a place and go back. See, some questions next level, what they'll do is while going downstream and return only half of the distance upstream. If it is half of the distance, something they'll mention downstream or upstream like that. Here, okay, same distance they are not giving. You can assume while going downstream, its return should be upstream or vice versa. See the next one. You can see the question given in GATE exam. So what's the answer? It takes him thrice long to row upstream as to row downstream. Here when and they didn't given the distance, actually distance is constant there. To travel the same distance, upstream taking 3 times than the downstream. So when distance is constant, upstream is taking thrice the downstream. Time taken to travel downstream. Yeah. Upstream will take obviously more time as speed is less. And here the distance is same. You should consider as the same distance to travel, same distance it is taking thrice than that. Right. Again, for this, no need to add some other formulas. They'll give some shortcuts like that. Hardly 5 seconds extra. Don't take again when the timings are so and so ratio, speeds will be this ratio. No need to waste time, no need to add all lot of formulas. So it will take hardly 5 to 6 seconds extra. No need to add too many formulas in your mind and don't waste the things. Okay. And logically, okay, suppose this is the question given in exam as I mentioned. No? Directly I can eliminate D and C. Why? Man row, okay, see, man can row 8 kilometers per hour in still water. It's not about man swimming speed. Man is in boat. Okay, then boat speed is considered for the man speed. Right. And see, generally water speed should be less than, or boat should be, speed should be more than the velocity of the water flow. Otherwise, boat will return. It will travel in reverse direction. It's not correct. So that's why 8 is already speed of the boat. Water should be less than 8. So I can eliminate 8 and 14 directly. It should be 4 or 5. Okay, to check that ratio timing 3 is to 1 and all. Okay, then it should be 4 is satisfied, it seems. See, it here logic is when speed is upstream, speed is thrice downstream. So timing, speed of downstream is thrice speed of upstream. So why terms are changed? Speed and time are inversely proportional. Here upstream means here downstream will come. Here downstream means here upstream will come. Now your speed should be downstream should be thrice the upstream speed. Go with the options. That's what we have only two options. Don't go for too many equations. We finally actually C and D eliminated because boat speed should be more than the water speed. Okay, among these two, which will satisfy thrice? Downstream means SB plus SS. 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12. 8 minus 4, 4. So 12 is nothing but 3 into 4. Right? So thrice satisfied. So that's it. So this should be 8 plus 4. This should be 8 minus 4. So speed of water or velocity of the stream 4 kilometer per hour is okay. See this next question. So it's a simple question. They given upstream 20 kilometers, downstream 30 kilometers, taking 5 hours each. Speed of upstream is nothing but speed is distance divided by timing. Distance upstream is 20 kilometers, timing 5 hours, 4 kilometer per hour. which is SB minus SS. And downstream, again distance 30, timing is 5, 6 kilometer per hour, which is SB plus SS. Adding these two divided by 2 will give SB. That is also there in the options. If you add these two, SS will get cancelled, will get SB. SB will be 5, but question is regarding SS. Subtract these two, divide by 2, which is nothing but 1. That's what option 3. Subtract, then divide by 2, we got 1 kilometer.